Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the AirPods 2 with the wireless charging case. We're going to be doing an unboxing on these right here. Best Buy had these on sale, so I finally decided it was time to upgrade from my first generation AirPods, which I got when they came out. So they're actually like release day AirPods. I had to replace one of them because I lost it, so the battery life on them is kind of mixed and matched because one of the batteries is a little bit more worn than the other, so the left one tends to die before the right one. So I decided it was finally time for an upgrade. I went ahead and went with the one with the wireless charging case because I have a wireless charger on my nightstand and on my desk, so I don't have to worry about finding a lightning cable to plug them in. I can just plop them down on the wireless charger and charge them up really easily. So I went ahead and got that one. Like I said, they were on sale at Best Buy for $174, so can't beat that. Not much to unboxing these, but I figured I'd make a video anyway, just because I did make a video on my first ones back in the day. So we've got our Design by Apple in California right here. Let's see if we get anything special in here. AirPods, just how to charge the case and charge those. Mentions, how to sync them with your phone and all that kind of stuff. Nothing special there. One thing I did notice is it looks like they removed the AirPower reference. I don't know if it was on this or if it was on just the wireless charging case by itself. But there's nothing on here about AirPower anymore. So it looks like they removed that. In the box you get your AirPods right here. Let's see if they still include, yep, so they do still include a lightning cable with the wireless charging version because you still do have that option right down here. So go ahead and peel this plastic off. There we go. So you do still have your lightning port right there if you want to charge them wired. You have your light right there instead of on the inside. So you can see it needs to be paired, and it looks like they may need to be charged as well. The case does sound a little bit different than the case on my first gens. Go ahead and unlock my iPhone. And there we go. Go ahead and connect those. There we go, so they're done. Got 70% on the AirPods, 79% on the case. So I'm not sure why they're showing, it's showing red because the AirPods are charging, that's why. So there's that. It shows AirPods number 2 on my phone because I still do have my old ones connected. I'll probably use those around as well. But there we go, AirPods number 2 in the wireless charging case. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe down below.